Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Logitech G735 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device and after that press and hold power button for at least 3 seconds. Here we go, it turned on, and now press and hold Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Here we go, and now click on it at the device list, pair, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!